Come watch the Patriots game with us as you preview your new home. Amazing 4-bedroom Colonial and highly desirable cul-de-sac neighborhood in Chestnut Estates. This lovely home features a spacious open floor plan on the first level, great for entertaining and family activities, with hardwood floors in the living room and dining room, and a charming brick fireplace in the family room. The second floor offers a master suite with full en-suite bath, as well as 2 additional bedrooms, and a second full bath. The office completes the second floor and leads to the spacious third level with a large bonus room, bedroom, and 3/4 bath, making the third level a great independent living space. Looking for outdoor space? This home sits on over half an acre with a beautiful level-wooded backyard, perfect for family games and gatherings. All this in an amazing convenient location.